Hi, have you ever wondered what this is or how to read it? Well, this is written music, also known as musical notation, which in spite of its cryptic aspect is easier to read than one can imagine. Just watch and listen to how you might be reading music pretty soon. Mi, fa, fa, mi, re, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, mi, re, do. Actually, reading music like this, which is also known as sight singing, is so easy that the names you see here don't appear in regular writing, for they are so few and learning them is only a matter of memorizing. Basically, all sight singing requires is to sing those names at the proper time, at the proper tone, and for the proper duration. Skills you may soon start developing after acquiring or remembering. In the remaining 3 short videos of this series, with plain explanations and lots of lively illustrations and all examples like this to animate our learning, just a very few simple ideas about the sound, time, and music writing without having to learn in advance unnecessary catalogs of numerous concepts from which we barely need a few of them to start sight singing in no time flat. I'm Jesús Díaz, welcoming you to the series Sight Singing Theory 101 in the Do Re Mi Tutor Project's YouTube Music Basics channel, and I would like you all to be my guests. This series is a highly recommended introduction to the subsequent series Sight Singing 101, in which we will start reading music from the ground up, learning, understanding, and becoming familiar with every note one at a time, enjoying every one of the numerous exercises. Anyway, if you feel confident with the fundamentals already, you may go directly to the practice. And even if you read music, you might still want to remember some basic concepts in this series and practice your reading in the other. Just give them both a try. I'll see you there. And again, welcome to Do Re Mi Tutor.